Hi everyone, is my voice audible? Hi everyone, is my voice audible? Can anyone respond? Okay, so let us start our class. Today's topic is data interpretation. Data interpretation is one of the most important topics. Coming to the first, we have four types of data interpretation. One is bar graph, the other one is line graph, and the other one is pie chart, and the last one is tables. Okay, so this topic is a combination of percentages, averages, and ratios. Now, if you are thorough with all the three topics, then you can easily solve questions from this topic. Okay, first question. 3 is how much percent of 5? 3 is how much percent of 5 means, suppose if we find questions like this, then we can just take 3 out of 5. 3 is how much percent of 5? So this is nothing but 3 by 5. As this is in fraction, in order to convert into percentage, we should multiply it by 100. If we further simplify this one, we get it as 60. So 3 is 60% of 5. The answer for this one is 3 is 60% of 5. Next one. Next one appears to be the same, but it is not the same question. The question is 3 is how much percent less than 5? That is the question. So 3 is how much percent less than 5 means first you should take difference of these numbers. Whenever you find questions like this, percentage less, percentage more, or percentage change, at that time you should take difference of the given numbers. So difference of the given numbers means a difference of 3 and 5. Difference of 3 and 5 is 2. So 2 out of 3 is how much percent less than 5? That means here we are comparing with 5. We are comparing with 5. So that number you should take it in denominator. Otherwise, you can simply remember whichever number is closest to question mark, it comes in denominator. You can remember like that also. So 2 out of 5 into 100, which is 40%. Suppose if the question is 3 is how much percent of 5, answer is 60%. 3 is how much percent less than 5, then answer is 40%. Okay, next one. Once try to do the above one. 5 is how much percent more than 3? In the same way, try to do 5 is how much percent more than 3? If anyone got the answer, you can comment it in comment box, chat box. The question is 5 is how much percent more than 3? Okay, let us check how to do. So 5 is how much percent more than 3 means again you should take difference of these numbers. Whenever you find percentage more, percentage less, or percentage change, you should take difference of the numbers. So difference of the numbers is 5 and 3 difference is 2. So 2 by, here comparing value is 3. So the base value here is 3. We are comparing 5 with 3. So as we are comparing 5 with 3, we should take denominator as 3. So 2 by 3 into 100. 2 by 3 into 100. Now this value gives us 66.67%. If we further simplify that one, we will be getting 66.67%, which is the answer. So 5 is 66.67% more than 3. Okay, next one. Divide 45 in the ratio 3 is to 2. Can anyone answer that? Divide 45 in the ratio 3 is to 2. Forty-five should be divided in the ratio 3 is to 2. Okay, so if you observe, we have 3 is to 2. 3 is to 2 means total we are having 5 parts in this. So 5 parts should be equated to 45. because 45 is divided into 5 parts, so 5 parts is equal to 45. So 5 parts equal to 45 means 1 part value is equal to 45 by 5. 1 part value is equal to 9. Now as we should divide in the ratio 3 is to 2, 3 parts value, 1 part value is equal to 9 means 3 parts value. So 3 parts value is equal to 9 into 3, which is 27, and 2 parts value is equal to 2 into 9, which is 18. 2 parts is equal to 18. So the answer for this one is yes, 27 and 18. So 27 and 18 are the correct answers. Is everyone clear with this? Can I go to the next questions? These are basics of data interpretation. Can I go to the real questions? Yeah, okay. Let us go to the first question. This is the first question. You can convert this into full screen and you can also zoom the screen so that it will be visible. Our question is, what is the percentage of savings of Jasmine? First of all, you should just understand what is this chart means. First, blue color indicates income, red color indicates food expenditure, and green color indicates miscellaneous expenditure. Now the question is about Jasmine. So first we should find what are the expenditures of Jasmine. You should find what are the expenditures of Jasmine. So if you observe, for Jasmine the values are given as, first one is 24,000. First one is 24,000. Next it is given as 8,000. Next it is given as 1,500. So 8,000 and 1,500 comes under expenditure, because 8,000 means it is food expenditure, 1,500 means it is miscellaneous expenditure. Both are expenditures only. So as both are expenditures, Jasmine is spending 9,500. Jasmine is spending 9,500 out of the complete salary of 24,000. So you should check how much is Jasmine's savings. Can anyone tell what is Jasmine's savings? These are spendings, expenditure. This is the complete salary. So what is the savings? Yeah, 14,500. Okay. 14,500 are the savings. Now you should find what is the percentage of savings. 14,500 are the savings, but we should tell what are the percentage of savings. So 14,500 out of total salary. Total salary of Jasmine. Total salary of Jasmine is 24,000. So 14,500 out of 24,000 into 100 gives us the answer. Savings out of total salary into 100. So 14,500 out of 24,000 into 100. If we further simplify this, zero, two zeros and two zeros gets cancelled, 1010 gets cancelled, 145 into 10 by 24. Okay, approximately what is the answer? If we simplify this, 145 into 10, which is 1450, 1450 by 24. Yes, 60.42. So the approximate value for this one is 60.42, which is the correct answer. Yes, 60.42% is the correct answer. Okay, let us go to the next one. Next question. Okay, I'll just explain the question. In how many years was the export more than the average for the given period? So average means average equal to sum by total. First, we should find what is average of the given numbers. First, we should find what is average of the given numbers. So average of the given numbers means we should add all these numbers. First, we should add all these numbers. So after adding all these numbers, we should divide it by total number of years. So if you observe the total number of years, we have 7 years. First, you should take sum of all the numbers. So average equal to sum of all the numbers divided by 7. Can anyone tell what is average of all those numbers? Just add all the numbers divided by 7. What is average of the numbers? Sum is 72.1. So 72.1 divided by 7. 72.1 divided by 7 means it is equal to 10.3. 10.3 is the average of all the numbers, average of all the years. Now our question is, how many years are there which are more than the average? So average is 10.3 and we should find how many numbers are more than 10.3, which is average of the numbers. So what is the final answer? 10.3 is the average. We should just check how many are more than 10.3. Yes, 4 is the correct answer. 7.2 is not more than 10.3, so this is cancelled. This is cancelled. 9.8 is also cancelled. 10.9 is more than 10.3, so this is the average. 11.8 is also more than 10.3, so this is the correct one. Next 11.5 and 12.4. So we are having 4 years which are more than the average. So answer for this one is 4. Can I go to the next question? Is everyone clear with this? Yeah, okay, let us go to the next question. This is the next one. So total there are 400 people, 400 members are there. What we should do means we should distribute into 3 days. So Sunday 45% went, and Friday 25%, and Saturday 30%. We should distribute this 400 to Sunday, Friday, and Saturday. So Sunday we should give 45%, Friday we should give 25%, and Saturday we should give 30% out of this. So first let us calculate for Sunday. 45% of 400. In percentages class, I explained you how to calculate percentage of each number. So first let us calculate for Saturday. 0 0 cancel. 40 into 3. 40 into 3 is 120. So Saturday 120 people went. Next, coming to Friday. So Friday it is 25%. 25% of 400 is 100. So on Friday we can count for 100 people. Next, 45% of 400. So 45% of 400 means you can take 45 into 4. So 45 into 4 is 180. This is the total count of all the people. Sunday 180, Friday 25% means 100, Saturday 30% means 120. These are the values given on each day. So we distributed 400 into 3 days. Friday, Saturday and Sunday. Next, let us calculate for females and males also separately. On Sunday, the ratio of male and female is 5 is to 4. On Friday, it is 2 is to 3. On Saturday, it is 5 is to 7. So let us consider a box for this one. Okay, let us take a box. This is for Friday. Next, it is Saturday and Sunday. So this is for Saturday and this is for Sunday. Okay, total 400 people went on Friday. Now we should divide this into male and female. So out of 400, the male and female ratio for Friday is 2 is to 3. So 400 people went on Friday. This 400 we should divide in the ratio 2 is to 3. So 2 is to 3 means 5 parts. 2 is to 3 means 5 parts are there. We should divide 400 into 5 parts. So if you divide 400 into 5 parts, so 5 parts is equal to 400. When 5 parts is equal to 400, 1 part is equal to 80. 1 part is equal to 80. So when 1 part is equal to 80, 2 parts. 2 parts means 160. So here males are 160. And next females are 240. This is about Friday. Similarly, we should distribute for Saturday and Sunday also. So Saturday the ratio is 5 is to 7. Saturday the ratio is 5 is to 7. So this 5 is to 7, total 120 members are there. We should divide 120 in the ratio 5 is to 7. So if we distribute 120 in the ratio 5 is to 7, it becomes 50 and 70. It becomes 50 and 70. Next, Sunday total 9 parts are there. 5 is to 4, so 9 parts are there. 9 parts for 180. 180 is equal to 9 parts. 1 part is equal to 20. When 9 parts equal to 180, 1 part is equal to 20. When 1 part is equal to 20, 5 parts, males are 5 parts. So 5 parts means 5 into 20, which is 100. Next, females 4 parts are there, so 4 into 20, which is 80. We divided males and females for each of the following days: Friday, Saturday and Sunday. So is everyone clear with this? Clear this table? Clear with this table? Can I go to the next one? Next slide. In our next slide, we have some questions. Let us solve them. Okay, Friday total persons are 100. Yes, you can take this as 100. So this becomes 60 and 40. Okay, 400 is total number. So 60, 40, 50, 70, 100 and 180. So males for Friday it is males is 2:3 ratio. Saturday male and female ratio is 5:7. Sunday male and female ratio is 5:4. So these are the numbers. With this we can solve our remaining questions. So just note this table. Note this table on a piece of paper so that we will be solving the other questions. We have around 3 to 4 questions in this set of data. Okay, can we solve the questions? I'm just taking the slide. Okay, let us go to the next one. This is the first question from this data. Total females visiting the national park on Sunday and Saturday together. So females on Saturday and Sunday. From our given table, let us take the data for females on Saturday and Sunday. So females on Saturday and Sunday means it is 70 and 80. So females on Saturday is 70, females on Sunday is 80. We should add them because they said that females on Saturday and Sunday together. So 70 plus 80. So Saturday and Sunday together gives us 70 plus 80, which is 150. So Saturday and Sunday is 150. Next, or what percent more or less than the total male visiting the park on Friday and Sunday together? So males on Friday and Sunday together. Okay, males on Friday and Sunday. So males it is 40 on Friday and 100 on Sunday, which is equal to 140. We discussed almost the same model previously. I gave you 5 is how much percent more than 3, 3 is how much percent less than 5. So based on that one, you can try to solve this question. The question here is 150 is how much more or less than 140. So you should take base value as 140 because we are comparing 150 with 140. Can anyone tell what is the correct answer from the given options? A, B, C, D, E. Option E. Okay. Let us check. Yes, option E. Okay. First, you should take difference of the numbers. Difference of the numbers is 10. Difference of the numbers is 10 divided by here we should take initial value. So initial value means you can remember like which of the following is in the last part of the sentence. 99% of the times it will come in denominator. Here we are comparing 150 with 140. 150 is how much percent more or less than 140. So 140 will be the base value as we are comparing with 140. So 10 by 140 into 100. 0 0 cancel. 100 by 14. So 100 by 14 will be the correct answer. If we further simplify this one, 100 by 14 means it is equal to 7.14, which is approximately 7 1 by 7 percentage. 50 by 7. So 50 by 7 into mixed fraction means it is 7 1 by 7. 7 into 7 49, 49 plus 1 50. 50 by 7 is the answer. So 42nd one answer is 7 1 by 7. So whoever came now, just take a screenshot of this one because the entire questions will be dependent on this table only. Friday, Saturday, Sunday, males and females count. Okay, next question. What is the average of males visiting our national park on all these days? Average number of males. Average number of males means you should add all the males divided by total number of days. So let us go to the previous data. You should add all the males divided by total number of days. So males, just add all the numbers of males on all the days 40, 50 and 100. So add all the number of males. So if we add 100, 50 and 140, it gives us 190. So total 190 males are there. Total 190 males are there in that park. So if we add those, we get 190 divided by total number of days. So total number of days are 3 days. Friday, Saturday and Sunday. So average equal to sum by total, which is 190 by 3. So 190 by 3, if we further simplify this one, can anyone tell what is the answer? Final answer, average of all those. Final answer, average. 63 1 by 3 is the correct answer. Yes, option A. 63 1 by 3 is the correct answer. Yes, option A. Okay, next one. Last question in that set. After that, we can move to the other DI. Last one, 44th one. So here the comparison is between Friday and Sunday. For each male, the ticket cost is 45. For each female, the ticket cost is 40 rupees. Now you should calculate on Friday how much that national park got. On Friday, how much amount that national park got, and also on Sunday, how much amount that national park got. We should take the difference of them. So once again, I'll show you the data for Friday and Sunday. So you can note it down. On Friday, it is 40, 60. 40 males are there and 60 females are there on Friday. On Sunday, 100 males are there and 80 females are there. Okay, Friday, 40 males are there and 60 females are there. Next, coming to Sunday, 100 males are there and 80 females are there. 100 males are there and 80 females are there. We should calculate what is the total amount of each ticket. So the ticket for each male. First, let us calculate for Friday. So for Friday, total 40 males are there. For each male, the ticket is 45 rupees. So that means the amount that the national park got from males is 40 into 45. This is the amount got from males because each male ticket cost is 45. Next, if we compare for females, total 60 females are there. Each female ticket cost is 40. So this is 60 into 40. If we simplify this, we will get the amount that the national park received on Friday. Okay, on Friday, the total cost is 4,200. Option E. Okay, let us check. On Friday, the cost is 4,200. That is for Friday. Next, we should calculate for Sunday also in the same way. For Sunday also, we should calculate in the same way. So Sunday total 100 males are there, and for each male the ticket cost is 45 rupees. 100 into 45. Next, 80 females are there. So for each female the ticket cost is 40 rupees. 80 into 40. This is about the total price of Sunday. Now if we further simplify this one, we get 100 into 45, 4,500. Next 80 into 40, which is 3,200. So if we add all the numbers, we will be getting the total price that the park got on Sunday. So the total price is 7,700 on Sunday. Now our question is, on Friday is how much more or less than the amount got by the national park on Sunday. So you should just subtract that one. You should just subtract both the amounts. So if you subtract both the amounts, what we get? Can anyone tell what is the answer? Just Friday and Saturday subtraction. Option B. Okay. So Sunday the national park got 7,700. On Friday the national park got 4,200. So if you subtract those both, you will be getting 3,500, which is more or less. So 3,500 less. On Friday they are getting 3,500 less when compared to Sunday. So that is the answer. Okay, can I go to the next questions? Next set of questions. DA is very important topic. We almost get in all the exams. If you take any government exams or any recruitment exams, definitely we get in almost all the companies also. So at least 3 to 4 questions we get in any exam. You can check for the previous papers also. Okay, let us go to the next one. Okay, next questions. You can make the screen into full screen, and also you can zoom the screen so that the questions will be visible to you clearly. Okay, total 600 CDs are ordered by 4 shopkeepers. In our previous question we have days. In the present question we have total number of shopkeepers and also the total number of CDs ordered. So let us check how to do. First, let us go with the table. Total 4 shops are there, A, B, C, D. Okay, 4 shops, A, B, C, D. Again, there are four columns. So one is ordered. Ordered is one column. After ordered, sold is another column. So shopkeepers ordered some CDs. Next, they sold some CDs, and some are unsold. Some are unsold. We should find all these values, then we can easily solve the questions. Coming to the first one, total 600 CDs are there. So out of 600, shop A ordered. Shop A ordered 25 percentage. If you observe that, blue color indicates percentage of CDs ordered. Red color indicates percentage of CDs sold. So if you observe the first one, this is 25%. 25 percentage. So 25 percentage of the ordered CDs were by shop A. So 25% means 25% of 600. What is 25% of 600? 25% of 600. 25% means 1 by 4. 25% of 600 means it is equal to 150. So shop A ordered 150 CDs. Yes, 150. Next, in that 150, shop A sold how many CDs? 20%. They gave it as 20%. So out of all the ordered CDs, shop A sold 20%. So what is 20% of 150? 20% of 150. 0, 0 cancel, multiply the remaining. 25 means it is 150. So shop A ordered 150. In that 150, shop A is able to sell only 20% of the CDs. So out of 150, that person sold 20%. So 20% of 150. 20% of 150 means 0, 0 cancel. 15 into 2, 30. Shop A is able to sell only 30 CDs. So if out of 150, 30 are sold means 120 are unsold. Shop A cannot sell 120 CDs. So that is the breakup of A. 150 ordered, 30 sold, 120 unsold. In the same way, we should calculate for B also. So shop B. Shop B ordered 15% of the CDs. So 15% of the CDs means total 600 CDs are there. Out of 600, shop B ordered 15%. So 15% of 600. 15 by 100 into 600. 0 zeros gets cancelled. 15 into 6. 15 into 6 is 90. Shop B ordered 90 CDs. Yes, 90. Shop B ordered 90 CDs. So out of the 90 CDs, Shop B is able to sell 40% of them. Out of 90, Shop B is selling 40%. This is 40. 40%. So 40% Shop B is able to sell. 40% of 90. 0, 0 cancel. 4 into 9, 36. Shop B is able to sell 36 CDs. So if 36 are being sold, how many are unsold in Shop B? 90 minus 36, which is 54. Shop B is unable to sell 54 CDs. So here it is 54. Next, coming to Shop C. Shop C ordered 40% of the CDs. So 40% of 600. 40% of 600 means again 0, 0 cancel. 4 into 60, which is 240. So in this 240, Shop C is able to sell 35%. 35% of the CDs were sold by Shop C, which is equal to 84. 35% means it is 84. So 84 CDs were sold. Next, unsold CDs. So unsold CDs means 240 minus 84, which is equal to 156. Shop C is unable to sell 156 CDs. Next, last one, Shop D. Shop D ordered 20%. So 20% means it is equal to 120. 20% of 600, that is 120. Next, shop D is able to sell 25% out of them. So 25% out of 120 means 120 divided by 4, which is 30. 30 were sold, 90 were unsold. This is the given data. So from this, we should answer the given questions. From this data, try to answer 31st question. 31st question. Total unsold CDs by A and D together are how much more than total sold CDs by C? Unsold is the last column. Can anyone calculate this one? Unsold by A and D together. So unsold by A and D together means how many? Unsold by A and D together. So A is 120, D is 90. Unsold by A is 120. Unsold by D is 90. So A and D together means that is equal to 210. Next, total CDs sold by shop C. Sold by C. Sold by C is 84. Total CDs sold by C is 84. Now our question is 210 is how much more than 184? That is the question. 210 is how much more than 84? What is the answer? We have total 5 options. 210 is how much more than 84? Yes, 126. So 126 is the final answer. 210 is 126 more than 84. Suppose if it is given in percentages, you should take it as 126, as we are comparing with 84, 126 by 84 into 100. That gives us percentage. But as this question is only number, it is only about number, 126 is the correct answer. Yes, 126 is the final answer. Try to take a picture of this table because next questions are dependent on this table only. Whatever we solved till now, ordered, sold, unsold. So based on this, we have remaining questions. Okay, 32nd. We will be solving this later. After solving 33 and 34, we will be coming to this one. So for time being, don't solve this one because next questions are easy. 33 and 34 are easy. First, let us solve them. After that, let us come to 32nd. What is the average of unsold by BCD? Average of unsold by BCD. Average means you should add all the numbers divided by 3 because BCD are 3. So unsold by BCD, 54 plus 156 plus 90 divided by 3. Okay, if we add all those and divide it by 3, what we get? Can anyone answer? Just add all the numbers. Unsold by BCD divided by 3. That gives us the average. Yes, 100. If we add all those numbers, unsold, 54 plus 156 plus 90. If we add all those will give 300. 300 by total 3 are there. So 300 by 3. 300 by 3 means it is equal to 100. So 100 is the correct answer. Okay, next one, 34th one. Yes, 100. 100 is the correct one. Next one, 34th one. Ratio of total CDs sold by A and D together to the total CDs sold by B. 5 is to 6. Okay. Total CDs sold by A and D together. So sold by A and D together. A and D together is 60. Sold by A and D together is 60. Next, to the total CDs sold by B. Sold by B is 36. So 60 is to 36. 60 is to 36. You can cancel in 6 table if you want, or you can cancel in 12 table also. Total CDs sold by A and D together. A and D together means it is equal to 60, and also sold by B. Sold by B is 36. So 60 is to 36. In 12 table, if we cancel, we get it as 5 is to 3. So 5 is to 3 is the correct answer. Yes, 5 is to 3. Okay, next one. 32nd one. Let us answer 32nd one. Total CDs sold by shopkeeper E. So they gave shopkeeper E also in this. So for E also we should take a separate table for this question. So for E it is ordered, same like the previous ones, ordered, sold, unsold for E. Okay, so this is another shopkeeper for this question. They said that shopkeeper E, the total CDs sold by shopkeeper E are 125% more than the total CDs sold by B. So first you should take what is the total CDs sold by B. So sold by B. Sold by B is 36. Sold by B is 36. So E is selling 125% more than 125% more. So 125% more means first you should calculate 125% of 36. 125% of 36. 125% of 36 means that is equal to 125 by 100 into 36, which is equal to 45. So 125% more. This is more. More means you should add 45 plus 36, which is 81. So the total CDs sold uh, here by shopkeeper E, that is equal to 45 plus 36, which is equal to 81. So sold by E is 81. Next, shopkeeper E sold 27% of the total ordered CDs. 27% of the total ordered CDs were sold by shopkeeper E. Okay, 27% of ordered. 27% of ordered CDs were sold by Shopee. So 27% of O. O means ordered. Let us take it as OR is equal to 81. 27% of ordered is equal to 81. You should calculate what is ordered value. 27 by 100 into ordered. So ordered means it is nothing but 27% if it goes to the other side. 27 by 100 becomes 100 by 27. If side changes, automatically sign changes. So 27% value becomes 100 by 27. Now if you simplify this one, 27 into 1, 27 into 3. So ordered value is equal to 300. Ordered value is 300. In that, sold value is equal to 81. So they sold 81 means they did not sell 219. In E, they ordered 300, they sold 81, they did not sell 219. Now, our question is find the total CDs ordered by E are what percent more than total CDs ordered by C. So, ordered by E is 300. Ordered by E is 300. Ordered by C, if you go to the previous data, ordered by C is 240. Ordered by C is 240. So our question is 300 is how much percent more than 240? 300 is how much percent more than 240? So how much percentage? So how much percentage means you should take difference of them first. So difference of 300 and 240. Difference of 300 and 240 is 60. So 60 by. Now we are comparing 300 with 240. 300 is how much percent more or less than 240. So as we are comparing with 240, you should take 240 in the denominator. 60 by 240 into 100 gives us the answer. So 60 by 240 into 100 means again 0 0 cancel. 6 into 1, 6 into 4. 100 by 4. 100 by 4 means 25% is the answer. So in this question, first we found out how many are sold. After that, we from the sold we found how many are ordered. From ordered, we found how many are unsold. Is everyone clear with this? Can I go to the next question? Can I go to next one? Okay, let us go to the next one. If you have any doubts regarding any questions, you can just take a screenshot of that question and you can send it to me. I'll again resend you the solution for that one separately. So next question. Here there are two types of computers, computer of type A and computers of type B. Now what we should answer means the ratio of total number of computers of type A sold in February, April and June to the total number of computers of type B sold in April and May. I think you can solve this question. Once try to solve, you should just add all the numbers of type A in February, April and June, and next you should add all the computers in April and May of type B. You should take the ratio of that one. If anyone got the answer, you can just send it here in chat box. What is the answer? Can anyone answer this? Add all the computers in February, April, and June of type A. Next, add all the computers of type B in April and May. Take the ratio of them. First one indicates type A and second one indicates type B. Okay, let us check. So type A in February it is 180. Next type A in April it is 275. Next type A in June it is 345. I'm adding all those numbers 180, 275 and 345. Next, after that, we should be also calculating type B in April and May also. So, first of all, let us add what are the numbers in type A. So, it is 180 plus 275 plus 345. So, it gives us first we get 0 here. Next, again, we get 0 here. Next, 800. Now, coming to type A, we got the total value as 800. Next, let us calculate for type B also. Type B in April. So, type B in April, it is 325. Next, type B in May. So, type B in May, it is 425. 325 plus 425, which gives us 750. 750. If we add all those numbers, we get 750. Now, we should take ratio of these numbers. 800 is to 750, which is 80 is to 75. So 80 is to 75. If we cancel in 5 table, we get it as 16 is to 15. So 16 is to 15 is the correct answer, which is equal to option A. Option A is the correct answer for this one. Can I go to the next question? Is everyone clear with this? Yeah, 16 is to 15. Okay, next one. You can forward in this live. You can just click that forward button so that you'll be coming to the latest question, because some people might get stuck previously. So that in order to come to our live, you can just click on that forward button. Our latest question, we have two pie charts. Okay, let us check how to do. Total 98,000 people are there in the city. Total 98,000 people are there, and it is divided in the ratio 25 is to 24. It is divided in the ratio 25 is to 24. 98,000. So if you divide 98,000 in the ratio 25 is to 24, 49 parts is equal to 98,000. So if 49 parts is equal to 98,000, 49 parts equal to 98,000, one part value is equal to 98,000 by 49, which is equal to 2,000. So one part value is equal to 2,000. When one part value is equal to 2,000, 25 parts. So 25 parts means it is nothing but it is male. 25 parts means male. So when one part equal to 2,000, 25 parts means it is equal to 50,000. Next, females means it is equal to 24 parts. So 24 parts means that is equal to 48,000. So total number of males and females are 98. In that females are 48 and males are 50,000. So this is the first calculation for this sum. Next, we should find what is the number of males who are unemployed. Number of males who are unemployed. So number of males who are unemployed means you should find this 30 degrees. So you should find this 30 degrees. We can calculate it like this. This entire circle gives us 360 degrees. Entire circle gives us 360 degrees. So 360 degrees means total number of males. Total number of okay, 360 degrees means here total number of females are there. Next, 360 degrees is equal to 48,000. We should find total number of unemployed. So total number of unemployed means total number of unemployed females plus males. 360 degrees equal to 48,000. 30 degrees is equal to what? 30 degrees is equal to what? So this gives us 360 by 12. 360 by 12 gives us 30. Similarly, 48,000 divided by 12 gives us 4,000. So total 4,000 females are unemployed. 4,000 females are unemployed. Next, we should find for males also. So males unemployed percentage is 5. If you observe here, unemployed percentage is 5 for males. So we should find 5% of 50,000. 5% of 50,000. 5% of 50,000 means first let us find what is 10%. 10% of 50,000 is 5,000. 0 0 cancel. 10% is 5,000. If 10% is 5,000, 5% is half of that one. So half of 50,000 is half of 5,000 is 2,500. So number of males unemployed is 2,500. Number of females unemployed is 5,000. 4,000. So our question is, what is the percentage of unemployed males to the unemployed persons in the city? Unemployed males is 2,500. So as unemployed males is 2,500, 2,500 divided by total people are 6,500, because females are 4,000, males are 2,500. So if we add them, we will be getting 2,500 by 6,500. Next, as we want to convert this into percentage, you should multiply this with 100. So 2,500 divided by 6,500 into 100, we will be getting the answer. On further simplifying this, it will be approximately equal to 38.5%. In options, we have 38.5%. So approximately equal to 38.5%, which is the answer. First, we calculated total number of unemployed people. After that, we calculated total number of unemployed males, so unemployed males by total unemployed persons into 100 gives us the answer. 38.5, which is the final answer. Okay, next one, let us solve this question. You can zoom the screen so that it will be clearly visible to you. The question says that the average number of employees in B and D. In B and D is 630. The average number of employees in B and D is 630. So B and D average. First we require a B and D average. So B and D average means you should be adding 18% and also you should be adding 24%. We should take average of 18 and 24 because average of B and D. So 24 plus 18 gives us 42. 42 by 2. 42 by 2 means that is equal to 21, which is the average. So 21% is equal to 630. 21% equal to 630. Because average equal to 630, I took average of all the percentages. So 21% equal to 630. Now 1% means divided by 22, cancel with 21. So 21 into 1, 21 into 3, which is 30. So 1% equal to 30. As 1% equal to 30, 100% equal to 300. Now our question is about D. About D, so you should be calculating about D. 1% equal to 30, 100% equal to into 100. 30 into 100 gives us 3000. So total 3000 people are there in this pie chart. Now our question is in D, 80%, the number of females in D are 80% of number of males. So what I am doing is I am taking number of males as 100%. So if I take number of males as 100%, then females in D are 80% of that of males. So females is equal to 80%. Females value is equal to 80%. Okay, in D we should add total how many members are there. This entire pie chart gives us 3000. 1% value equal to 30. In D we should find how many are there. In D if you find total 24% are there. So we should be calculating D value. 24% means what? 1% equal to 30. 24% equal to what? 24 into 30. 1 into 24 gives us 24. 30 into 24 gives us the total value. Total 720. In D, total 720 members are there. Total male and female. In percentages, males are 100% means females are 80%. So total number of percentages of D is equal to 180%. You can take this as 180%. 180% is equal to 720. 180% equal to 720. Because total number of males and females in D is equal to 720. We should find how many female employees are there in D. So female employees we took it as 80%. So 80% equal to 180% equal to 720. 80% equal to what? That is what we should find. Okay, based on the given options, if we simplify this further, we will be getting 320, but we don't have 320 in the given options. So fourth option might be 320, which is the answer. Or whenever you did not find any answer, you can take approximate values of those. But coming to this question, 320 is our exact answer, because 180% equal to 720, 0 and 0 gets cancelled, 18 into 1 and 18 into 4. So 1% equal to 4. 80% means 80 into 4. 80 into 4 means that is equal to 320. Okay, one last question. This is the last question. After that, I'll give you two questions to practice. You try to solve them on your own. Based on all the questions what we discussed till now, I hope you will be able to solve those two questions on your own. So this is the last one. Total 5,500 members are there. In that, we require about P and Q. Okay, so how many passed from P and Q is what percentage of total candidates enrolled in P and Q? Okay, out of P and Q, so if you observe P and Q, so P and Q value is 50%. 50% of the students enrolled in P and Q institutes out of 5,500. So 50% out of 5,500. 50% value means exactly half. So which is equal to 2,750. 2,750 enrolled in both P and Q. Half of 5,500. Next, we should also calculate how much percentage passed in that exam. So how much percentage passed means that is equal to 24 plus 18. 24 plus 18 means that is equal to 42%. Total number of all the passed students is 3,300. So in that 42% passed from P and Q institutes both. So 42% of 3,300. 42% of 3,300 means 3,300 by 100. If you cancel that one, it will be 33. So which is equal to 42 into 33. 42 into 33 means that is equal to 1386. So 1386 people passed from PNQ institutes out of 2750 total enrolled. Now our question is, what is the percentage of passed students? So percentage of passed students means it is equal to 1386 divided by 2750 into 100. 1386 divided by 2750 into 100. Now, if you observe, 1386 is nearly half of 2750. 1386 is nearly half. So, which is nothing but if we divide 2750 by 2, we will be getting 1375. Half of 2750 is 1375, which is approximately equal. So, answer will be approximately equal to 50%. That is 50 point something, like it can be 50.2, 50.3, 50.4, like that. It will be approximately 50 point something, because it is more than 50%. So whichever option you can find which is nearest to 50, you can mark it. If all the options are nearest to 50 point something, then make a guess or you can directly calculate if you have enough time. You can cancel that. Is everyone clear with the questions that we discussed today? Do you have any doubts in the questions? Can anyone respond? Is everyone clear with all the questions that we discussed? Yeah, okay, thank you. I'm giving you two questions. You just try to do it on your own. This is the first question. Take a screenshot of this one. Just two questions, try to do them. I hope you can do it. Take a screenshot of this. We have graduation level and we have postgraduate level. You should be calculating percentages. Here, the complete question is related to S only. The complete question is related to Institute S. So, based on that percentages, you should calculate. So, how many are of graduate level in Institute S and how many are of postgraduate level in Institute S? You should calculate the percentage increase. You can take screenshot of this. You have options also in this. Okay, let us move to the next one. Okay, next one. Try to take a screenshot of this one also. For which of the following years is the percentage of rise of production compared to the previous years the maximum with respect to flavor C? We have total three flavors A, B, and C. In that, you should calculate when compared to the previous year and to the present year, which of the percentage increases more. You have options also. 2013. So 2013 means about C, you should be calculating percentage increase of these two, 70 and 65 for 2013. For 2012, you should be comparing 65 with 65. You should calculate percentage increase. For 2014, you should be calculating with 2013 with the previous year percentage increase. 2011, you should be calculating with 2010. Should be calculating percentage increase. Percentage increase means take the difference of those numbers divided by initial value. So initial value means previous year. Difference by previous value into 100. So where you get maximum, that will be the answer. Try to solve these two questions. If you get any doubts in these two questions, you can text me so that I'll send you the solution for this. Is everyone clear with today's class of data interpretation? Are you clear with the concepts? Okay, so in order to solve this topic, you should be clear with averages, percentages, and ratios and proportions. With that, we can solve this topic easily. Mostly, I'll be taking our next class on Monday. So, in Monday, we will be discussing another new topic which will be helpful to our exams. As of now, we will end our class. Thank you.